Hey everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to change the limit on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the limit on the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap on to three dot lines at the top left corner just right here. Then tap on to Profile and Settings. Then here you can find the Limits option on the Account section just right here. Now tap on it. Now here you can find the limits of your card sales, 3D secure purchases, send cryptocurrency and receive cryptocurrency. Now here you can find the limits of these features, and here you can simply find you cannot change it, and the limit of sending and receiving cryptocurrency is unlimited. So if you want to change the limit on the Coinbase app, simply contact the customer support of the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.